Fuller 3. That's the score thus far. Ginto with 6 early points in this game.
Good passing on the part of Blackwater. They're looking.
Santi naman ang susubok ng 3. Nakapasok na rin ng isa.
And the guys are saying, okay, tama na yung layup. Get that championship for rain or shine.
Fuller in the lane. Almost a sure 2 once he gets to that spot. And Aaron Fuller gets the right hand.
Outside. Maybe he should start defending Aaron Fuller.
Ayun o, nagparamdam agad si Bearfield.
Bearfield with his first shot and his first connection. So you've got Bearfield and Guacote.
Driving to the hoop.
Oh, yes.
There's Kaylan Tiongson showing a bit of his skill. Former Paola University.
Yeah. Italian, but he's
Parang
from
mid-dash eh. Mid-dash yung nasa nakalagay sa kanyang uniforme. As Bradwin Ginto gets yet another hoop.
That's 8 points now for Ginto. And he's sprinting because they've been able to come close to rain or shine. Despite the 12. Oh, pasok yun.
3 ba yun? 3 and Lemetti gets a Tiongson. Takes it again. That's another 3. Mula kay Kaylan Tiongson.
What a debut. He's outshining Cedric.
Tarakot inside to Fuller. Fuller will power his way up. 3 baskets in a row for rain or shine. And Lou drive.
And he will score.
Wow,
What a drive to the basket.
Nagulat tayo ron, ha? Ganda ng saksak ni Mamuya.
PBA. On the attack here is Bearfield, and he will score.
Yan ang magandang galaw.
Yeah, and he'll go to the line for the bonus. That's what you want from
They
Bearfield.
go to Datu. He'll try again. And his shots parang masadong pataas. But look at that. John Clarito taking it away from the import. Scoring and getting fouled. What a play. Mula kay Most Improved. Johnson thought about it. Went to Lemetti. He'll put in another 3. Pangatlo ni Felix yan.
All right, Coach. Gengia must be.
Tungkal. Back to Quecote. Quick release. Basket na naman. Para kay James Quecote. He's got
17.
sweet 17 for him. But second game ng doubleheader. Asisio bumato ng 3. Pagkakas!
Oh, what a shot coming from Antonio Asisio.
2 shots actually from him. A short J and then a long one. Clear na sila. Villegas thought about it, then took it, and put it in!
Villegas.
Look at that, that's fine.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunado.